Day 8, how to calm your mind. So come and join me and Tracey as we do this together. And if you want to do this later, that's fine. It's up to you how you want to go about this. So sit tight and enjoy this video.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 8 of our meditation challenge on YouDoYoga. Today's focus will be on observing your thoughts. Now, sometimes when we're dealing with anxiety, we want to forget everything and just let go, especially in the process of meditation. But sometimes meditation is just about allowing the thoughts to flow in and flow out. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Go on and close your eyes, rest your hands on your knees, sit up nice and tall. And just allow the breath to come in and out. You can take it in and out through your nose, or if you prefer, you can breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. So let's just settle into our kind of seated meditation with simply following the breath. Again, this focus is not about placing the thoughts outside of your mind. It's just allowing the thoughts to come in and out. Taking a few more deep inhalations and exhalations and allowing the breath to flow through freely. Relax the shoulders. Feel the crown of the head rise and feel your hips rooting towards the earth. Stay with the breath. Now what I'd like for you to do is imagine the breath, not just simply flowing in and out, but allow it to bring in thoughts. Whatever shows up, whatever comes into your mind, allow it to surface. But as that thought starts to come into your mind, as you exhale, release that thought. Let it go. Breathing in and slowly breathing out. Breathing in. Exhale, let it go. Mind is a playful and tricky place. And meditation is not about holding things in, trapping them. It's allowing the mind to simply flow just as the breath. If it helps, maybe you'd allow the thoughts to flow in like water, rushing against the shore. So as you breathe in, the water comes against the shore. And as you breathe out, let it go. As the water pours in, your thoughts may start to come in and flood the sand on the shore. And as you breathe out, allow those thoughts to wash away. Again, whatever shows up, allow it to surface. And then on the exhale of your breath, let it go. The only thing I ask is that you try not to create stories around your thoughts. Try not to ponder over them and hold them in. Allow them to wash in with the breath and wash away with the exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Staying long and tall through your spine, keeping the shoulders relaxed. With a steady breath, the mind will soon release. The thoughts will slowly begin to dissipate. And in time, fewer thoughts will drift in and out. And breathing out. Deep breath in. Exhale slowly out of your mouth. 2 more like that. Breathing in. Exhale out of the mouth. 1 more deep breath in. Exhale out of the mouth. Bring the palms together. Create a little heat. Then take your palms, place them over your eyes. Allow that warmth to seep into your eye sockets. Staying, of course, connected to your breath throughout this process. And as you exhale, let the hands fall and the eyes slowly open. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me for today's meditation challenge. And of course, I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.